Hi and welcome to a Kirby Maths video about a circle theorem, and the circle theorem is the one that states angles in the same segment are equal. If we look at the first diagram, and we've got a circle and we've got 2 points on the circumference A and B. If we take a line from A to another point on the circumference and then back to B, and then do the process again from A to a point on the circumference and then back to B, those two angles, which I've shaded in pink, are equal to each other. And if we're writing the reason for why they're equal, then we write angles in the same segment are equal. The same works here in this diagram. This time A and B are here. We're going from A to the circumference and then back to B. And then we're repeating the process with a different point from A up to the circumference and back to B. And the angle that's formed here is equal to the angle that's formed here. This also works if you go through the centre. On these two examples I did not go through the centre, and you don't have to, but I start at A, I go to a point on the circumference and back to B, and then I start at A again, go to a different point on the circumference, this time not through the centre, and back to B, then these two pink angles are equal. I've shaded in the purple angles because they are also equal for exactly the same reasons. If we chose to start here and go to A and back to this point and did the same again, but this time going to B, our same start and finish point, then those two angles would be equal. Okay, so this little bit of light writing here says in all these diagrams you start the line at A, go up to the circumference and come back down to B. Then start again at A, go to a different point on the circumference, then back to B. The angles that you formed on the circumference here and here are equal to one another. So here are two examples. In the first one, we are starting at A and finishing at B. So we go up to the circumference and back down to B, and we're told that that angle is 33 degrees. We repeat the process and go from A to the circumference to B. So that means that the angle we formed is also equal to 33 degrees. So we can just write down x equals 33 degrees, and the reason is angles in the same segment are equal. The same goes for the diagram being the other way round. So if we started at A here and B, so we go from A up to the circumference and back to B, and we form this angle x. And then if we go from A to the circumference here and back to B, this angle here we are told is 45 degrees. Because you've done the same process just with a different point on the circumference, x is equal to 45, and again the same reason, angles in the same segment are equal. Thanks for watching.